If you've been praying for a way to work in Europe, don't skip this video because today I'm showing you a small European country that thousands of people overlook, yet employers there are still hiring for cleaners, warehouse workers, kitchen assistants, hospitality staff, production workers, and other entry-level jobs. And here's what caught my attention. Some of these employers don't expect years of experience. So if you've been thinking, nobody will hire me because I don't have enough experience, don't count yourself out just yet. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 3 real employers and recruitment agencies, walk you through actual vacancies that are advertised right now, explain what they're looking for, and show you exactly where you can submit your application through your official website. But please don't make the mistake that thousands of international applicants make. They spend hours applying to random jobs only to receive rejection after rejection, not because they aren't qualified, but because they're applying the wrong way. So before you submit your next application, watch this video until the end, because I'll also share a simple tip that could save you time and help you apply more strategically. And here's my challenge for you. Don't just watch this video. Open another tab on your phone. Save every employer I will show you today, and before next week ends, send in your application, because the people who change their lives aren't always the most qualified. They're the ones who take action when an opportunity appears. And trust me, I saved the employer that surprised me the most, because guess what? They handle everything from your visa documentation to sponsorship, and everything you need, they handle it. So that employer is going to be at the last, okay? But first, let's start with employer number 1. Before then, let me tell you why I decided to make this video. Because whenever people think about moving to Europe, the same countries usually come to mind: the UK, Germany, Ireland, or the Netherlands. And because everyone is looking in the same places, the competition can become very overwhelming. But sometimes the opportunities you are praying for are hidden in places that most people aren't even paying attention to. That's exactly why today's country caught my attention. It's one of Europe's smallest countries, but it has a strong economy and attracts workers from many different nationalities every year. That means you often find international workplaces where people from different backgrounds work together. Now, I want to be very clear about something. Not every job you see today is open to every international applicant, and not every employer offers visa sponsorship or relocation support. That is why it's important to read each vacancy carefully and follow the application instructions on the employer's official website. My goal today isn't to give you false hope. My goal is to put genuine opportunities in front of you so you can decide which ones match your skills, your experience, and your circumstances. So let's stop talking and let me show you the first employer I found, because this one regularly advertises entry-level roles in cleaning, catering, and facility services, and it could be the opportunity someone watching this video has been looking for. And don't also assume that the first employer will be the best fit for you. The second and third opportunities are completely different industries, so make sure you watch all of these 3 before deciding where to apply, okay? The first is called Dussmann, Luxembourg. Yes, this video is about Luxembourg, and one of the reasons I wanted to feature them first is because they regularly recruit for entry-level support roles. You have been thinking, I don't have years of European work experience. This is exactly the kind of employer worth paying attention to, okay? Let me show you their official career page. As you can see here, they advertise vacancies across different departments, and one of the positions that stood out to me is cleaning agent. Depending on where you're watching this video, you may also find opportunities in catering, facility services, or similar support roles, so it's always worth checking their latest vacancies. Now, before you assume this is just a cleaning job, hear me out. For many people, their first job abroad isn't their dream job, it's their door opener. Once you are working, gaining local experience, and building your confidence, other opportunities can begin to open up. Sometimes, the first step is simply getting your foot in the door. When you go to their career page, read through the responsibility carefully, pay attention to the requirements, any language expectations, the location, and the application instructions. Every vacancy is different, so don't assume they're all the same. One thing I appreciate is that Dussmann invests in training for its workforce. It shows they value helping employees develop their skills over time. Okay? If this role matches your experience and your circumstances, don't wait until next month to apply. Save the vacancy, prepare your CV, follow the application instruction carefully, and submit your application through the official careers page. But don't rush off just yet. The next opportunity is completely different. If cleaning isn't the path you want to take, I'm about to show you another employer with opportunities in hospitality and food services that might suit you even better. If the first employer wasn't the right fit for you, don't worry. I told you this video wasn't just about one type of job. This time, we're looking at Adecco Luxembourg, one of the biggest recruitment agencies in the country. And here's why I like featuring recruitment agencies from time to time. Instead of applying to just one company, you are putting yourself in front of multiple employers who are looking for workers. As I was browsing their latest vacancies, I noticed opportunities in cleaning, hospitality, food service, logistics, and production. That means whether you've worked in a hotel, a restaurant, a warehouse, or even in a general support role, there is a good chance you'll find something relevant. So before you apply, slow down for a minute. Read the job description carefully, check the location, look at the language requirements, and most importantly, make sure you understand whether the employer is looking for someone who already has the legal right to work or whether they explain the different recruitment processes. That's one step many applicants skip, and it can save you a lot of time. If this role matches your profile, don't overthink it. Tailor your CV to the job, follow the application instructions, and submit it through the official website. Every application you send is another opportunity to get noticed, but make each one count. Now, don't go anywhere just yet, because the final opportunity isn't another single employer. It's a route that could give you access to vacancies across different industries. And if you've been struggling to decide where to apply, this might be the one you end up using the most. Before I reveal, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and alright, we've looked at two great places to start your job search, but I promise you there was one more opportunity, and this one is a little different. Instead of showing you another company that hires for just one business, I want to show you something that many international job seekers completely overlook. It's a recruitment agency, and here's why that matters. When you apply directly to one employer, you are hoping that one company has the right vacancy for you. But when you apply through a recruitment agency, you could be putting yourself in front of multiple employers who are hiring for different roles. That's why I always encourage people not to limit themselves to just one application. Let me show you what I found, okay? Depending on the vacancies available, when you are watching this video, you may find roles in logistics, production, warehousing, hospitality, cleaning, or other support positions. One thing I want you to do is this. Don't just click on the first vacancy you see. Spend a few minutes browsing. Use the search filters. Look for roles that genuinely match your skills and experience. Sometimes the opportunity that changes your life isn't the first one on the page, it's the one you almost scrolled past. And here's another tip that many people ignore. If this agency allows you to create a candidate profile or upload your CV, take advantage of it. That way, if another suitable vacancy comes up later, you've already made it easier for recruiters to find your details. Now, before you leave this video, I want to remind you of something important. None of the opportunities I've shared today can change your life if they stay in your watch history. The people who eventually get interview invitations aren't always the ones with the perfect CV. Very often, they're the people who keep applying, keep improving, and refuse to give up after one rejection. So here's what I'd love you to do today. Pick one employer or agency from this video. Prepare your CV. Read the requirements carefully and submit at least one application before next week is over. Your next opportunity could begin with one decision you make today. Before you leave, I want to encourage you with something. I know that applying for jobs abroad can sometimes feel overwhelming. You might send 5 applications and hear nothing. You might send 10 and begin to wonder if it's even worth trying anymore. But please don't let silence convince you to stop. Every successful applicant was once someone who kept going when they couldn't see the outcome. So after watching this video, don't just close YouTube and move on with your day. Choose one of the employers or agencies we've looked at today. Read the requirements carefully. Update your CV if you need to, and submit your application. Your next opportunity could begin with one application you almost didn't send. And if you do apply, I'd genuinely love to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments which employer caught your attention the most, and tell me which country you're applying from. I read your comments and I love seeing people from different parts of the world encouraging one another. If this video helped you discover an opportunity you didn't know about, share it with someone else who is also looking for work abroad. And if you enjoy practical videos and where we explore real employers, real vacancies, and official application route together, make sure you subscribe, because I've already started working on the next country. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Until next time, take care of yourself, keep believing, keep applying. I'll see you in the next one. Remember that Jesus loves you and I do love you too. Bye for now.